Welcome back to this week's Spot Through Wednesday. Today we're right here at a beautiful Lake Asbury Lake House. What's amazing about this is you're greeted by two Jaguars. Go Gators! Don't come at me. I'm fully aware that's an NFL team and I'm talking about college, but still, go Gators. On the left of that long driveway, we have this very big two-car carport. Very nice. Right to the right of the carport, we have the American flag on a flagpole. Oh, say, can you see? Now that we're all up close and personal, look how beautiful the front of this lake house is. Absolutely beautiful. When you first walk up, you immediately see this unique stone outlining the entryway. You don't see that very often, so this is very beautiful and unique. Let's go inside. Oh, it feels good in here. That Florida heat is no joke, y'all. When you first walk in, we have another cute entryway. No smoking or vaping. You shouldn't be doing that anyway. Let's go down this hall. We have the master bedroom. Very cute, very big. Also, we have a sliding glass door. I have a problem with doors, y'all. It's me. I'm the problem. I figured it out. Right out of the master bedroom, we walk into a sunroom that is also connected to the living room, but we'll get there shortly. This way, over here, we have a door. Also, did I mention we're on Lake Asbury? You have a door. We'll get there. I have problems with doors. The lake's right there. Then over here, we have this beautiful hutch. It's locked, but it's beautiful. If you buy this house, it could be yours. Fishing poles. We may go through a line. We may catch a couple bass right here. By the way, there's so many bass in this lake. You cast one time, and I promise you'll get hooked on one. Then down here, if you're good at this kind of stuff, there's a pool. Speaking of pools, oh, there's water. We have a pool. Very big pool. You could have a very cool party here. And you have so much outdoor seating for all your friends. Except I don't have any friends. It's just me and Brittany. And then you've got yourself a nice outdoor BBQ. And then the pool. Now it's cool. There is a nice little fire pit. However, we are in Florida. And our winters consist of maybe 60 degrees at the lowest. So still cool to have a fire. Now, I don't want to toot my own horn, okay? I'm basically a pro bass fisherman. So bass fishing in this lake is easy. No joke. Guys, there's a little kitty cat over here. Unfortunately, the cat's not for sale. And this is when you eat lunch after slaying too many bass. By the way, there's turtles out here. Just saying. Now, my ADHD is kind of wild, and we ended up outside when I was in the middle of showing you bedrooms. So we're going to go back the way we came and finish looking down that hallway. Now that we're back in the master bedroom, the bathroom's right here. You have a very nice linen closet, whatever you want to use for it. Also has a light in here. It needs batteries. 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. Wow, those mirrors are really cute. Then we walk further down. You have another closet, and then your shower and your toilet. It's a very cute shower. Very marble. Once we exit the master bedroom, we come right here. We've got this cute little closet. Now this right here is what keeps your house cold. I got a guy for that, if you ever need help. We have another spare bedroom. It's a nice size closet. I still have too many clothes for this kind of closet. Another bedroom. By the way, I failed to mention, this house has so much natural lighting because all the windows. It's beautiful. Bunk beds. In a good sized room. And then we have a walk-in closet right here. Oh, now you see me, now you don't. Cool. Welcome to the bathroom. This is the bathroom that the guest bedroom shares. Okay, we're going to continue walking down this hall. We're going to keep going straight. And we have a dining room. Now this is where your family has Thanksgiving. Oh, this is so cute. If I could buy this for my house right now, I would. Now don't look behind me. You know it's my favorite part of the house, but we're saving that for last today. So we're going to come back to the dining room and come down these stairs to the living room. Now, this couch right here, you could take an amazing nap on this couch. I love it. Fireplace. This is a real wood fireplace. Look at this. It's beautiful. What's really neat about this living room is you have 2 access doors to the Florida room or sunroom, whichever you prefer to say it. But we've already been out there. So now we're going to come down this little small hallway and show you what's down there. Oh, again, this is where you eat with your friends. I would be eating here lonely, probably eating breakfast looking out there by myself. So down here, ooh, another bedroom. The windows, hello. We got a nice closet. And then this door right here. Take you outside. Take me outside. How about that? Then we have, this is where you do your dirty clothes. And then a small little bathroom. And then, I have a problem with doors. It leads you to the out. What's really cool about this kitchen and living room is it's separated by this small wall. Really cool because a lot of houses these days, they're just combined. So you have that separate, but you're also together at the same time. Really cool. Now this kitchen, we're in my favorite part, guys. Okay, I love the two-tone cabinets. Are you serious right now? And the marble countertops? Let's look at this pantry. Now seriously, do you see all the room for food? Best part, okay? Come down here. You have a beverage refrigerator for whatever beverages you want to put in there. Okay, walking through here. This is genius. Let's say you have a couple kids and they're outside playing in the front yard and you're doing dishes like all your mamas do. You can watch your kids. Cool. This nice stove with a hood. I know what that is. You can shove a nice air fryer. This is cool, guys. This is a microwave. It's the microwave. And then you got the oven. Okay. Now, did we think anything's in here? Dang it. This island right here can be really cool because if you haven't done this yet, make a nacho table. Cover it up in aluminum foil. Throw your chips and stuff down. Nacho table. Genius. Thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. If you enjoyed watching us walk through this beautiful lake house, give me a call. We can come out here and look at it anytime you want. Go over to the Rakers Home Group YouTube channel where the Rakers Home Group goes and checks out new communities in the Northeast Florida area. While you're over there, if you don't mind leaving us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, that would help us out tremendously. See y'all next time.